the Japanese yen has fallen to near record lows against the euro, shocking currency markets worldwide.
On Monday, the euro surged to over 184 yen, the weakest level for Japan's currency in almost 40 years.
This happened just days after the Bank of Japan raised interest rates for the first time in more than 3 decades.
The BOJ increased its policy rate by 25 basis points to 0.75%. And
despite this historic move, markets were unimpressed and quickly sold off the yen.
Investors had already priced in the rate hike, making it a classic case of buy the rumor, sell the fact.
He refused to commit to a clear timeline for future rate hikes, disappointing currency traders.
As a result, the yen also weakened sharply against the US dollar, trading near 157 per dollar.
A weaker yen makes imports like food and energy more expensive for Japanese consumers.
This adds pressure to inflation, which is already running above the BOJ's 2% target.
ironically, rising inflation strengthens the case for further rate hikes.
However, the Bank of Japan fears that moving too fast could hurt economic growth and wage stability. Meanwhile, global investors expect the U.S. Federal Reserve to cut rates in 2026, widening interest rate gaps. That growing gap continues to push investors away from the yen.
For now, markets are demanding stronger conviction from Japan's central bank. Until the BOJ delivers clearer guidance, the yen's decline may be far from over.